In Start Here, you'll appreciate why you're taking this course. I think that's a really important starting point, because once you're clear in your mind why you're taking this course, everything else will follow naturally. You'll also appreciate my experience, knowledge and qualifications as a tutor, and this I think will give you confidence in taking the course and putting into practice the tools and techniques that I'm going to show you. I'll also cover briefly the course content so you have a map of what's to come.